Hi, I'm Clive Watts, Product Manager for Bluetooth Low Wireless Products at Qualcomm Technologies International Ltd. Today I'm going to walk you through the contents of our starter development kit based around our CSR102x SoC. This kit can be purchased from your local distributor. So let's take a look at what's included in the kit. User guide, target board, USB mini cable, a set of jumper leads and a flat flexible cable for connecting to a further target device. Don't be in a rush to dispose of your box. As you can see, this contains a sticker with an activation code which will be used to download the software development kit. In order to download the software package, you'll need to go to our support site, which includes instructions on how to download the package and use the activation code. After you've downloaded and installed the software development kit, it's time to connect your target board and download your first application. Firstly, connect the USB cable to the USB connector on the target board. Secondly, ensure that the jumper selection here is set to USB power. And finally, connect the other end of the USB cable to your host laptop or PC. Now that the application software has been downloaded to the target board, we're going to connect to it from the Profile Demonstrator tool, which is included as part of the software development kit, running on your development PC or laptop. In the top left-hand corner of the Profile Demonstrator is a Discover Devices button, which can be used to search for all the available devices in the local area. In this case, you can see here that the CSR HR sensor has been highlighted, and I'm going to connect to that device. Here you can see that heart rate readings are being received from the heart rate to application on the target board and being displayed within the Profile Demonstrator. This demonstrates that we now have a running application on the target board and can connect to that and see heart rate readings coming across to the Profile Demonstrator on the host PC or laptop. The target board includes a LED here and a push button here that can be used to provide input and output to an application by connecting the jumper cables across to the I/O pins down the center of the target board here. As you can see, it's taken us less than 5 minutes to connect the target board and download an application profile from the software development kit. For further details, please refer to the user guide supplied and also the Qualcomm Developer Network for further details.